Hello students, I am Krishnaveni, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology. In today's session, we will discuss about the introduction of operating system. Usually, this operating system, we call it as OS. Usually, this operating system, we call it as OS. It stands for operating system. Okay, first we will see the definition of an operating system. The first point is OS is an interface. Interface between the user and their computer. Between the user and their computer. I will explain this individual word, that is interface. We are saying that operating system will be act as an interface between the user and a computer. Okay. The interface is also I mean for better understanding I am writing this one. Mediator. Mediator means that which is used for communication between the user and a computer. Hereafter we will say like this simply. What is operating system? Operating system is the mediator between the user and a computer. That's it. Okay. Next we will see the next point. OS is the software which manages the hardware. The next point is OS is a software which manages the hardware. I will explain this statement. Already we all know that our computer will be having the lot of hardware parts. Hardware parts are listed below as follows. We say memory, input, output devices and CPU. Everything comes under the hardware. In order to communicate with these hardware parts, we require one software that is called as operating system. Okay, we will see the best example to understand this point. Okay, consider a computer, keyboard and CPU. If you press these keys, those keys will be printed on the screen. For example, if you press A key, that letter A will be printed on monitor. Immediately, if you press B letter, that letter will be printed on the screen. So, likewise, whatever the input we are giving from the keyboard, immediately that the same thing will be appear on the monitor itself. This happens with the help of operating system. So, that's why we are saying like this. Operating system is a software which manages the hardware. So, here we have to interact with the computer. We need some hardware parts. Here we are using the input devices, keyboard or mouse. And we are getting the output in the output device. So, there must be one interface. So, that interface is called as operating system. In order to communicate these hardware parts, we need one software. That software is called as operating system. Operating system is a system software. Operating system is a system software. Okay. First we will see what is the system software. The system software which manages the hardware work properly. So, another one is application software. Application software. We will see one by one. First, we will see what is system software. Here, the examples are OS and drivers. Drivers means that every hardware will be having the drivers. These drivers are used to work the hardware properly. We have to install these drivers, and also these drivers are also called as system software. Next we will see about the application software. These are the softwares which perform a specific task or some specific functionality. For example, we take media player. This software is used to play the media. Media, which means either audio or video. Next, the example is text editor. This software is used for writing the text, and like Excel, Word. These all are nothing but application software. This application software is used to perform a particular task. So, now we can have the clear idea about system software and application software. System software is used to manage the hardware work properly, and the application software is used to perform the particular task. Here, the OS supports both system software and application software. OS provides the services to system software, and it will give the support to application software also. Finally, the conclusion is that without operating system, the user cannot interact with the computer. In today's session, we have discussed about the introduction of operating system. I hope you all understood this concept clearly. We will see on the next session with another topic of operating system. Thank you for watching. Thank you.